unity in the Age of Aquarius. Are we witnessing a soulful connection? Or is this a virtual isolation? Enveloped within the celestial embrace of the Age of Aquarius, a profound cosmic awakening sweeps through the very essence of our existence, blurring the boundaries between the tangible and the digital realms. It is a time when the threads of our interconnectedness weave a tapestry that transcends the physical, beckoning souls across oceans and continents to intertwine in a symphony of shared experience. In this age, technology ceases to be a mere tool, but emerges as the conduit for a collective awakening, where every touch of a screen resonates with the heartbeat of distant souls, fostering a profound sense of unity, empathy, and a shared humanity that transcends the constraints of time and space. It is a profound realization that we are not isolated entities, but interconnected beings, intricately woven into the fabric of a cosmic narrative that binds us together in a profound web of shared experience and universal understanding. However, amidst the shimmering glow of this interconnectedness, the weight of unresolved conflicts and enduring wars cast a haunting shadow upon the fabric of our collective consciousness. Echoes of history reverberate with the cries of countless lives shattered by the ravages of division and discord, reminding us of the poignant imperative to heal the wounds of strife and to nurture a world with a resounding chorus of peace eclipses the cacophony of conflict. It is a fervent call to wield instruments of empathy and understanding, to transcend the barriers of resentment and bitterness, and to cultivate a shared narrative of compassion that transcends the superficial boundaries that seek to fragment us. It implores us to rise as instruments of reconciliation, architects of unity, and champions of peace, weaving a narrative of understanding and forgiveness that binds us in our shared humanity and paves the way for a future where the lingering shadows of conflict are dissolved in the luminous embrace of universal love and understanding. Moreover, the relentless specter of poverty looms as a stark testament to the enduring challenges that besiege our global community, shrouding the promise of progress in a veil of despair. It serves as an unyielding reminder of the imperative to confront the systemic inequalities that plague our societies, propelling us to extend a helping hand to those marginalized and oppressed by the whims of fate and circumstance. It beckons us to become the vanguards of change, champions of justice, and the guardians of the disenfranchised, nurturing a world where every individual is granted the dignity, respect, and opportunity to flourish and thrive. It is an unwavering call to channel the energies of compassion and solidarity, to construct the bridges of opportunity and empowerment, and to construct a world where the collective aspiration for prosperity and well-being transcends the confines of social and economic disparities, where every individual is welcomed into the warm embrace of a global community that celebrates the inherent dignity and worth of every soul. Within the tumultuous embrace of these transformative times, the essence of the Age of Aquarius beckons us to embark on a profound odyssey of self-discovery and collective action. It invites us to delve into the depths of our own hearts, to unearth the dormant wellspring of compassion, empathy, and understanding that lay within us, awaiting the clarion call of unity and solidarity. It is an invitation to cultivate a spirit of global citizenship, to rise above the tumult of individualism and isolationism, and to foster the shared vision of a world where the vibrant hues of diversity are celebrated, where the rhythms of cultural, religious, and ideological pluralisms harmonize in a symphony of unity and understanding. It is a resounding call to embrace the universal brotherhood of humanity, to transcend the boundaries that fragment us, and to build a future where the resplendent light of interconnectedness illuminates a path toward a world where every soul is cherished, valued, and empowered to realize their fullest potential. With heartfelt love and appreciation, your companion on this journey.